Hi guys, it's been a long time since we talked about Tron here on the channel. Now, I can tell you that if you remember the last video, I did draw this line. Maybe it wasn't the last video, but it's maybe a few videos ago. I did draw this line saying that there is a giant cup and handle on the weekly time frame going on, guys. You can see, here's the cup. This is the handle, guys. And we broke out very strong in August. And we hit kind of a mark. Let me zoom in here so you can see this a little bit more. And let's see. So basically, it needed to break this area right here. This is about what, 16, let's say 0.7 cents. Now, on the weekly time frame, this is the weekly time frame, by the way. I think we just broke this today, though. Well, okay, we broke it yesterday, and today we retested that. Let me zoom in so you can see this real good. So, and we've gotten a bounce. Now, we have kind of stopped here at this Fibonacci level, so you can kind of expect some resistance here. Let me put this on the 4 hour so we can see a little bit more. Okay, we are struggling with this just a little bit in the 4 hour time frame, but I do expect we will eventually break it. So yeah, guys, this Tron is looking actually very good. Now, yeah, if you remember the cup and handle formation, the pattern, basically I think the target was up around, I think, 23, 24 cents. So we'll see. We just have to wait and see how this plays out. But I remember 23 to 24 cents is the target of the cup and handle for Tron. Tron here, Tron has a total supply of 86 billion now. And you know, the max supply here is unlimited. Now, I don't like that. I have to say, you know, I have actually maybe a mid-sized bag of Tron just because I bought most of it down like really, really, really low. I think like 4 cents or so. So it's grown. That's nice. But again, Tron is a Justin Sun, you know, project really, and not many people trust Justin Sun himself. So yeah, that's why I'm not investing more into this, because you can lose all probably with this. It's one of the more riskier coins, I would say. But yeah, guys, I don't like how you know, this is so large. But again, Cardano, XLM, XRP, all kind of similar. For me, really, I think 10 billion is enough. So I try to stay with coins that are 10 billion or less for the most part. But yeah, this is one of the exceptions. Look at Bitcoin here. Bitcoin is around 86,000. Getting a red day today, guys. But hey, look at this. We've gone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days only up. And basically all the way from about a little bit under 67,000 up to $90,000, guys. It's $23,000 in a week. 1 week. I don't think we've ever seen a week with $23,000 ever. So, wouldn't surprise me we get a little pullback. I did say that last night in my channel. I'm not sure how many people saw it in my render video and my near protocol video, but I did say this. Bitcoin was getting very overheated. So, I'm not going to look at the RSI right now because, you know, I got to go through a few more things, but it's probably come down, I'm sure. Now, if we take a quick look at the Google Trends for Bitcoin and crypto as a search term, you can see, guys, I think this is the projected because it's dotted. It wasn't here yesterday, I believe, but this is as high as back in like June of 2022 and probably like April of 2021, really. This is the highest that we've seen in a very long time. Now, crypto also is the highest since about March 2024. So really good to see, guys. Retail is starting to come back in. The quarterly returns here, Bitcoin, Ethereum, is mega, really mega. Very similar on both sides, but I do think we're going to see a lot more this quarter, probably than last quarter for both. If you look at the month, I think we were saving October to have a bigger November and probably December, especially after having the best green month that we had ever seen in September. What concerns me is the Bitcoin dominance is coming back up. I'm not sure why this doesn't touch this line, but if I think I put this on the 4-hourly, it does touch up here at about 60.96. So we'll see, guys. It is trying to go higher, but I do believe this is just going to be a bounce in what's going to be a series of bounces, and you're going to start making like lower highs here. So it is trying to take dominance back. So alts are a little bit losing right now, and but I would not worry if I were you guys. Economic calendar. We did get the New York Fed consumer inflation expectations here today. I don't think Bitcoin really reacted. We do have a couple of speakers tonight. As for the interest rate cut, 2/3 basically still believe we're going to get a 1/4 point cut. 1/3 believe no cut. Basically, there's no change since the last few days or last week, end of the week. Altcoin season. Let's see. Let's refresh this. Still 35. Did come down, I think, from about 41 last night, but that's because Bitcoin is taking dominance back, like I said. Now, fear and greed, guys. 80. I don't really want to see 80, but you can stay up in extreme greed for a while before there's a crash. But we're kind of getting that crash right now, and it's 85,750. So let's see where we fall. But yeah, after a $23,000 run, we are going to come back, guys. Crypto bubbles, most of this is in red right now. XRP is up, Render is up, XLM, BGB, guys, CRO still up. Now, a lot of these had mega runs yesterday, so naturally they are going to fall back just a little bit. But don't worry, guys, they're still going to continue at some point. Bitcoin just needs to find its base, basically. And it needs to really consolidate, and then people will kind of get bored and start to, put more money into altcoins. So keep that in mind. We just have to wait, maybe a few days, week, but alts will recover to where they were last night, I am sure. But it all really depends on the dominance, guys. So let's just see what happens here. Keep your eye on it, and just hope that this can, crash down. And start making lower highs, like I said. Now, if you want to stake your Tron, go to Coinondo. You can find many places to stake Tron, actually. And, be realistic. I don't think you're going to get 100% up here. But, I think I have mine in, I think, xt.com, actually. So, yeah, guys. That's where I have mine. Now, be aware, Bit2Me requires their token, and you have to have a lot of it to get the full 5.6%. So, just be aware of that. But yeah, you have many options here, guys. And anyways, if you like this video about Tron, give it a like. And thank you guys for supporting the channel. And I'll keep making videos for you guys.